2008 Nissan Altima. Grab hold of the armrest here. You're just going to pull straight up on it. As you can see, there's just little clips that go around. And there's one main one here that you pull upward on. Just grab a plastic trim tool, kind of lift up, work your way around the edges. As you can see here along the edges, there's these 3 clips that are back against the door. And there's clips on this side as well. And this front you can't pull out, it needs to slide backwards. So when it's like that, you don't pull straight up, you kind of slide it backwards. And go ahead and unplug the wiring harness. It can be very difficult, but you just got to be persistent. Push down, wiggle that out, there we go.